Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to pin any playlist on the Spotify. So if you have many playlists on the Spotify and you want to pin your favorite playlist on the top, so watch this video till the end and follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Spotify mobile application and log into your account. So once you will do it, you will see your library option. So you have to click on it and here you will see all of your playlists. So you have to select any playlist you want to pin. So right now I have only one playlist here, so simply tap a while on it and you will see this type of the screen. On the top you will see a pin playlist option. Click on it and you will see pin icon is appear. Now this playlist is pinned on the top on the Spotify. So this is the procedure to pin any playlist on the Spotify. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.